Hello everyone, welcome back to Jaime Quiz TV. Today we are going to learn addition of numbers. Addition of numbers. Here is the addition sign and this is the equal sign. Addition sign and equal sign. One plus one equals 1 plus 1 equals 1 apple plus 1 apple equals, let's count together, 1, 2, 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 3 equals 2 plus 3 equals, let's count 2. 1, 2. 2 apples plus, let's count 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 apples. 2 apples plus 3 apples equals, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5.